Hi, my name is Varun from Comorin. So today we'll be making a rum punch. So with the help of Makery, we have developed this concoction. So it has got fresh pineapple, apple, little citrus, first class. It is a concoction which is made and kept in this bottle. Along with the kit, we are sending ginger ale cans, dehydrated orange, and Bacardi White. You have to have it at your home. So let's begin making a drink. We start with the lots of ice into the glass and pour 90 ml of rum concoction. Just shake a bit and pour. $90 ml. Add double shot of white rum. So you can use any rum. Here I am using Bacardi White. And topped up with ginger ale. Give a little stir to mix it all. And garnish with dehydrated orange. Your drink is ready. Cheers.